First, let's read this problem together, class. Three students participated in a race. The table below shows the amount of time in seconds it took each student to finish the race. Now, then they provide us a little chart right here of Carla, Lindsay, and Marion, and the time it took them to finish their race in seconds. And then they ask us to rank the students in order from fastest to slowest. So first, let's ask us, what is our goal? Well, we don't need to look too far because our goal is right there. They want us to rank the students. From fastest to slowest. But one thing that we have to be careful about, that I'm pretty sure all our racers are aware about, and everyone else, because we've done plenty of these problems in class, is that when doing a race, if Mr. Morales finishes in 10 seconds and Mr. Patterson finishes in 12 seconds, Mr. Morales won that race because his time is shorter. So out of these three times, we're looking for the shortest time. So let's first computate what each one is. Well, Carla, we don't need to do too much math because we know that 15.75 is 15.75. So let's try to figure out Lindsay. Let's see where Lindsay ranks. So let me just rewrite Lindsay's time right here. 158 times 10. So as we all know, and as we have discussed in class today, 10 to the square, 2 power, or 10 squared, is the same as 10 times 10, which is the same as 100. The 2, or the exponent, lets you know how many times to repeat the base, which in this case was 10. So now we're really doing 0.158 times 100. As we know, when you multiply by 100, we're actually moving our placeholder 2 times. So let me just get 1.58 over. And let's move our placeholder over 2 times. 1, 2, which will be 15.8 seconds. And this was Lindsay. Next, let me do Marion. Marion is 1579 divided by 10 to the second. And as we just discussed, that's the same as 10 times 10, which is the same as 100. Oh, but because this time we're dividing and not multiplying, our placeholder is going to move 2 times still because we're dividing by 100. But because we're dividing, not multiplying, our placeholder is going to move 2 times to the left this time. 1, 2 will be the same as 15.79 seconds. Remember, units are always important, which is Marion. So our 3 times are 15.79. 15.75, and 15.8. So a great way to always think about it if you're having trouble ranking decimal numbers is, let's not think about it as decimals real quick. Let's think about it as money. Think about it as $15.79, $15.75, and $15.80. Well, I know Mr. Morales wants the most money, so I know $15.80 is the most out of those 3, but this is a race, and I'm not going to get fooled. So the most money is actually the slowest. So 15.8 will be our slowest time, and 15.8 belong to Lindsay. I know $15.75 is the least amount of money. I don't want that much money, but this is a race, so best believe that's how fast I ran. So I know that is our fastest, which belongs to Carla. Oop, almost forgot my units. And then last but not least, 15.79, which belongs to Marion.